This is Portmore. This is Greater Portmore. Today is what? October 24, 2025. And we're getting ready. We're bracing ourselves for Hurricane Melissa. So this is our before. This is 2 East Greater Portmore. I'm on my roof. Can see the clouds slowly coming over. This is a very slow moving hurricane. This hurricane has been at our back door for about 3 days. We have been under hurricane watch and warning for about 3 or 4 days. It has just been sitting there to our southeast, right at our back door. Today I think it might make landfall, or maybe not. It has been just sitting there, I don't know. But these clouds look like we might at least get some rain. Yeah, so as you can see, this is Greater Portmore, so it's a sunshine city, so the sun is still trying its best over in the west. But I suspect we might not see back the sun for a couple days. Who knows? Then again, maybe tomorrow morning it might come up bright and early, like it did yesterday and the day before. So we'll see. Of course, so this is my my neighbor's mango tree that I get some mangoes from every mango season. So hopefully all these trees will still be here. Hopefully Melissa will not take even one tree. Alright, hope she just comes and does her little thing and then goes, leaving us intact. Leaving us still intact. Alright, so let's see what changes we will observe after Hurricane Melissa comes and goes her merry way.